Hello friends, today I will show you my new Crypto.com card. I received it today, so I wanted to make an unboxing video for you so you can see what you get when you order also the Crypto.com debit card. So I will open it. So I think the packaging looks nice from the outside. Okay, we got the package in the package. So this is empty now. Here we got a little message from Crypto.com. It's a Visa debit card. So I don't know if you can see it in the video, but it's a great blue metally shining on the card, and I think how it's open, it's great. Look, it's a great packaging. So let me put it out. So as you can see here, it's a Visa debit card. This is the card from the other side. I'm blocking just the numbers. So the card, it's plastic, but it looks a little bit different. It looks more expensive than it looks like a metal card, but it's not. So it's kind of different type of plastic, because it feels and it looks different to other plastic cards. With this card, now I can spend my cryptos just like a normal credit card or debit card. So I have just to go in a shop and pay with this card. So and then I spend my crypto money. So if you're interested also to get a Visa debit card by Crypto.com, click the first link in the description and you will receive a little goodie because I referred you. Just to know, I waited for this card a little bit more than 2 months, because it's the blue card. This is a free card. I don't have to pay anything, but I don't get any goodies. I just get 1% cash back on this card. There are many other options where you can get also Spotify for free, then where you can get Netflix for free, where you can receive, I think, a discount on Booking.com. There are many options. You can check out the link in the first link in the description in this video. If you click on my link, you will also get a little goodie because you are referred from me, and I also will get a little goodie from Crypto.com. So if you are interested to spend a little bit of your crypto money on the easy way, this is it. You can spend now your crypto money with a Visa debit card from Crypto.com. So let me know if you are interested to get one of these, or if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. I will try to answer all your comments as best as I can, and we will see us in the next video. Thank you.